What's up? I'm Sarah and this is Sarah's Squad, and today I am going to describe for you what Prove It's Keto OS Chocolate Swirl tastes like. These are exogenous ketones. I take them twice a day, not always just this flavor. This is the Chocolate Swirl. I'll start off by saying at the time of this filming, I have not tried every single flavor. But of the ones I have tried, both the chocolate ones are my favorite. There's Chocolate Swirl, and my all-time favorite is Swiss Cacao, which I'm not starting this series with because I'm actually out and I'm waiting on my next shipment to come in. So let's get started. This is Keto OS Chocolate Swirl. It is the 3.0 optimized formula. So in my shaker bottle, I have about 14 ounces of water. This is my favorite way to take it. You can take it with just cold water, and that's great too. It tastes a little bit like a Tootsie Roll. The way I like to do it is I like to add just a splash of heavy whipping cream, also known as HWC in the keto world. So I just add like, boop, done. Okay, then put the top on. All right. So this is my favorite flavor, and I actually only just recently started making it like this, because I had been using this other like really popular recipe in which you add it's water, ice, the chocolate swirl, and a scoop of PB2, that powdered peanut butter. And honestly, that's delicious. It tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. But I ran out of PB2 the other day and was like, oh, I'll just use water. And then I'm like, maybe if I add a little HWC, it'll make it even better. Yeah, it's so good. This, which yes, I know it's white, and if you haven't seen these or tried them before, it's weird that something chocolate is white. It threw me at first, doesn't matter what it looks like, and it's actually appropriate because when you add a splash of heavy whipped cream, I swear to you, this tastes like if you had like a white chocolate milkshake. It's so good. I don't even know if white chocolate milkshakes are a thing, but if they are, I want to try them. No, actually, I'm just fine with this. Ooh, I bet you could. So I try and keep all my recipes really simple because, yeah, it's fun to like make super fun and crazy things. But if this is something I'm gonna drink on a daily basis, I don't want to have to like go through like a ton of hoopla for it, you know. But I bet you could like blend this like with ice, and it would be freaking awesome. So there you have it. Chocolate Swirl with just water tastes like a Tootsie Roll. Chocolate Swirl with water and PB2 is delicious and tastes like a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Chocolate Swirl with water and a splash of heavy whipping cream tastes like a white chocolate milkshake. It's definitely one of my top 2 favorite flavors. If you like this video, subscribe. There's a lot more to come. If you want to try this flavor, let me know. My contact info will be below.